part 3, guys. So here we are again. Let's start. What should we do? Let's do the normal makeup. Okay. What should I use? Red, of course. I always use red. It's because I love red. And purple, of course. Wait, guys. Wait, guys. I'll put it for a second. It's ready. So it has a glitter on it. It's super glowy.